Tell the viewers what we have.
We just got some Inari bombs from...
Konohiki. This is my girlfriend's TikTok. Show some enthusiasm. Go ahead, honey, explain.
Okay, these are what we call Inari bombs, or they call it Inari balls. Inari sushi, and then they fill the top with fish.
Yeah, honey.
Like sauce or
Yeah,
whatever.
honey.
This one's first. I don't know what it is.
Scale of 1 to 10 rating afterwards.
Mmm.
Mmm.
How about you? Okay?
I know it's not spicy because my nose isn't sweating, honey.
Yeah. He sweats a lot when he eats spicy food. This is the next one.
Ed, you got it. There's a little like kick at the end.
Yeah. Oh. Ooh.
A little
Ooh.
pizzazz.
Ooh.
That was good though.
Oh, it's hot at the end.
It is hot. Right there. You can see
I need water.
the
Yeah.
perspiration. Is that
I think so.
private school? That's why. You go first. Oh, big. Good job. Good job. Oh, that's the imitation crab and the.
Last one, crunchy shrimp. Yum. Hold up your rating in 3, 2, 1.
Sorry, I forgot my other finger. You guys didn't notice we're matching. Trying to let go, lose this. Okay, you're just putting my whole weight.
We're gonna go eat some more poke now. Bye.